Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. The Two of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. Okay. The Two of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. Followed by the Sun card, the Three of Pentacles, and the Fool. The messages from this deck for Geminis. Okay. Guidance from the angels. So Geminis, what I see here is that you started off with a very beautiful connection over here. But there is something which has caused some problem over here in this relationship, and you are spending time alone. So there has been definitely something which started off beautifully. There has been something which has knocked you down, and you feel the pain of it in such an intense way that you are very, very guarded, and you feel either you are choosing singlehood, you want to be alone, but you're definitely at least spending time alone, giving time to yourself. I don't think that you're communicating with that person, at least for this period. Even if you have not broken up, at least you are not investing into this relationship now, and you are spending time alone. You are giving that time to yourself. You are very, very guarded, very, very intuitive, very, very guided, and you are waiting for something new. That's what I feel. I think you are turning your back to this situation, because it is followed by the Ten of Cups, and what I feel here is you are turning your back to this connection, moving towards a new life. Look, waiting for your Ten of Cups, waiting for a new commitment, waiting for a new relationship, or maybe waiting for your family life. Now you want to have a family, which you perhaps wanted here also, but it didn't materialize. And you basically, the thing is, you are focusing on your new uh, emotional fulfillment, whatever it is, but you are waiting for it over here. I think you have already spent some time, or perhaps you are still waiting for something which is going to give you emotional happiness, stability, contentment. That's what I'm trying to say. Ten of Cups is all about emotional satisfaction, happiness, stable commitments. Okay, so what I feel here is that you are disconnecting from this, turning your back to this connection, and waiting for a new life, or something new which is going to give you that satisfaction what you actually want. And your wishes will be fulfilled, because that is what is coming. Once you turn your back towards the situation, you have that commitment, you have that new relationship perhaps which is coming in, which is giving you commitment, followed by the Sun card, which is obviously the ultimate happiness which you can receive. And you are raising yourself to a pedestal. You are whatever had knocked you down, you are now feeling the self-worth, you're feeling happy and content. So this happiness, this relationship is bringing you whatever this commitment is, whosoever this person is, This emotional satisfaction is raising your self-worth also. That means that is you are happy, and that is why you are sort of feeling elated, or you are stepping up in your life. You are not feeling as knocked down and as depressed as you were, and you have totally begun a new life. You are ready for the new life. You are moving in. You are embarking on a new journey totally. I don't think this is, you are anyway interested in this, whatever this thing was, though it started beautifully. I don't think it's happening now. And here with the 10 of clubs, this is burden, this is burden. So you are overburdened. So you should not overburden yourself. Perhaps this is because of this energy which has left you in such a situation that you felt overburdened, you felt sort of drained, and you were sort of carrying, perhaps you were carrying the burden of the relationship entirely on your shoulders. If it was a relationship, what I feel it is. So whatever the situation is, you were feeling burdened, and you are turning your back to this situation, moving towards your new 10 of cups, which is giving you a lot of emotional happiness, sun, ultimate happiness, and a new beginning. With the 9 of thoughts, stop being so hard on yourself and turn your thoughts towards the positive. There is no need to worry. Anticipating the worst isn't helpful. Know that the heaven will provide a solution. You are experiencing sleepless nights or anxiety over a challenge in your life. Release the problem to your angels. So that is the guidance which is coming up. You don't be so hard on yourself. You are waiting for a, leave this, whatever this thing was, which is not helping you in any way, and you just need to let it go, and don't be so hard on yourself. This is talking about this 10 of clubs also. So don't be so burdened. Let things be light. There is new happiness which is coming in your life, so you don't have to worry. Don't worry about leaving whatever is going, whatever it has to go anyway. Okay, so Gemini's, but new happiness is coming in, so don't worry. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.